So I figured, since I now have the blue truck up and running the way I want it to, and it looks good, it's time to concentrate on my old black truck. Over the years, I haven't really paid as much attention to the paint as I should have. It's hard to see, but I have, underneath the dirt on the lower part of the side panels, there's a lot of bugs and tar and other junk in the paint. So I went ahead, went up to the store, I bought a whole bunch of products for the paint. Try to use the bug and tar remover on the, to get rid of the nasty stuff down below. And I'm going to pay attention to the other surfaces with the polishing compound first, try to bring the paint back to what it should be. Then I'm going to use some of the wax and dry. I've used that stuff before. It works pretty well. So the directions for this stuff says to spray it, let it sit for a few minutes. I'm going to let it sit longer. So what I'm going to do, I've shaken it up pretty well already. I'm going to get it all over this area right here where I know I have lots of bug and tar build up. Mostly tar. And that comes from going down roads that have just freshly paved or in the process of being resurfaced and repaved. So since this takes off, it's supposed to take off a lot of the bug and tar, I'm pretty sure it's going to take away some of the wax that I've put on over the years. So it's more on the right side than the left side. I'm going to let that soak. Get it over there. Whew. Yeah, she's a little dirty. But I do know I have some on the left side as well. It will give your hand a workout. Wow, some riveting footage here, huh? Watching me apply bug and tar remover. I don't think I have as much over here on the left side as I do on the right side, but it's going to get a coat anyway. Yay, Stonehenge. Hey, so we got a little bit of rain last night. What better way to show off this whack job than with a little bit of rain? The wax that I bought did pretty good. I'm pretty happy. It wasn't too hard to put on. Wipe on, wipe off. The bug and tar remover did pretty well as also. Down here, I had a lot of tar built up from driving through work sites and construction zones. So the bug and tar remover did take off just about everything. One thing to note about that bug and tar remover is that it is greasy. So once you put it on, you'll probably have to wash the area several times to get the remainder of the grease off. but I'm pretty happy. It took it off pretty well. That is the black truck. Come on over here. Blue truck looks pretty good too. That's a good looking truck. I might take it out for a drive today.